A warm welcome to this training, everybody. I'm super excited to get started with you, and I'm sure you are as well. The purpose of this video is to give you an introduction to the learning material and explain to you what you'll be learning and what you will be able to know by the end of this course. This training is designed for individuals in all skill sets, because once you have it complete, then you have the knowledge to operate Google Ads as an advanced user and be able to leverage all of the platforms in a sophisticated way. Okay, so how this course structure and material is designed, I pretty much have 3 different types of learning materials for this course. First, we have direct to camera videos, so Alright, I hope you are enjoying the video so far and getting good, valuable information. Now, I just want to let you know that I did create a Google Ads workbook along with a Search Ads Readiness that will be located in the Skool platform, in which you can go there, you can download the workbook, actually do the workbook and apply it to a real or fictional business and determine if Google search is right for that business. Highly encourage you to go check it out. That will be in the Skool. The link will be in the description down below for you to join for free. You'll see videos like this one where I speak directly to the camera, guiding you through step-by-step process you'll need to master Google Ads. The second step is, the second different type of learning material is through the slideshows. So you probably already seen some of the slideshows in the previous module. In module 1, the same thing's going to apply for module 2 for Google Ads Mastery. So the slide presentations, some videos will be featured presentations with slides, data, and written information, and they're used to help you understand more technical aspects of Google Ads. And then the third type of learning style is the screen share tutorials. So this is a step-by-step learning experience. You'll also be able to watch tutorials where I share my screen and walk through the Google Ads platform in real time. So this will help you see exactly what it is I'm doing and understand how to use the platform and know where to find specific functions. All right. So in addition to this or to these videos, you'll also receive downloadable resources to assist you in your daily work as a PPC expert, PPC specialist, or associate. So these resources will be made available throughout the course. We'll also have quizzes, or what we call knowledge checks, to really ensure that you are retaining the information. If you don't pass, it's not the end of the world. Don't worry, you can retake them again as many times as you need, just to make sure that it is all sinking in for you. Now, as a member of this course, you do get direct access to me, and feel free to come in contact with me, reach out to me, because you did once again purchase this course and you will have permanent access. All right, so make sure that you do make good use of it. I love hearing your questions, and I also have some, and they also give me ideas for building even better training programs in the future. Now that we have the introduction out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this course.